Robots are really complicated. My machine shop can't handle the technology. I've always said that if you want to learn a business, go talk to the customers. They'll tell you more than the company can. The other day I was with a potential customer and was demonstrating programming our robot. She looked at me and said, "I'm a programmer. What you're showing me isn't programming." So I asked her, "Well, if it isn't programming, then exactly what is it?" She said, "You're just giving instructions to the robot just like you would a human machine operator. Raw and finished parts dimensions, the number of pieces in a job, those are things you tell a human to get the job done." I thought about it for a couple of seconds and realized that she's right. It isn't programming. There's no code to write, no lines of code to select, no pendant to jog. This is simple operating instructions. That's why people grasp it so quickly. It only takes about 5 minutes to enter the information, and it isn't any more complicated than that. To explore more, call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.